Hello, and welcome to day 2. Just to reiterate and explain, we are in Unit 2, Getting a Job. Then Week 6, Looking for a Job. Day 2, Tuesday, March 16th. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click Async. You have 2 assignments to do in Async. Your first one is in MEL. You are going to do an activity with modals. Okay, so go to assignments and you'll click use modals to offer polite suggestions and express possibilities. The first one, the grammar coach, and number 1. All right, so make sure you do that. Your second async activity is a writing lesson on one word essay vocabulary. So One World is a writing program that we use, and you're going to learn some of the vocabulary that we will use. So you type in your name and you click join lesson, and you will start by reading and taking notes, read and take notes, take some more notes, and then you'll watch a video. After you watch the video, you continue and you will learn about more of the vocabulary, and then you'll watch another video. Click next after watching the video, and you will watch another video. So almost each of the vocabulary words has a video associated with it, so it can show you a visual version. Then you'll move on to a quiz. Remember, you read and it'll ask you what part of the text. Read what it says and then click next. What is this? And then submit. And that's it. Now it is a Tuesday, so we have sync together, and we will do more practice with gerunds and infinitives and do page 26 and 27 in the book. And that's it for today. Good luck.